WatchTower is a solution if you have to deal with multiple Jira projects located at different Jira instances. It gathers issues from Cloud and Server Jiras and puts them on one agile board. Let's imagine you have 3 projects. The first one is on demo server instance, another one related to person stuff is on Cloud, and the third one is server version of current development of WatchTower. We create a board on demo server instance to combine issues from all 3 locations. We provide a name and description. Now we need to configure sources, the other locations where WatchTower will put the data from. Here you provide target URL, a name and a key to be used to reference issues from this Jira. Icon and color. Further, we provide WatchTower credentials in order to access other destinations. We need to highlight that none of your personal data is stored anywhere in WatchTower. We use access token in order to communicate with remote Jiras. Once token is revoked and expired, you need to reconnect. So now we need to verify connection and provide JQL, which will be used to query data from source Jira. Last check and the first source is configured. We proceed the similar way to configure source pointing to Cloud instance of Jira. Repeat this procedure for as many sources as you need. When statuses are configured, you have an option to change their order that will affect order of issues displayed at the board. That is done, good. On a columns configuration screen, you will find everything you would expect from column configuration of agile boards from Jira software. Adding new columns, changing their order, renaming, etc. Now we need to match statuses from our source Jiras to columns of WatchTower board. The way you do that is simple drag and drop to an appropriate column. Please note that WatchTower splits statuses containing issues from those that don't. This way you can decide if you want particular status to be on your board or not. In WatchTower you can configure swim lines similar to agile boards from Jira software. All set, and now we are ready to enjoy the result. As you can see, we have issues from all sources we have configured, arranged by swim lines and allocated to appropriate columns. With WatchTower, you can change issue status by dragging to the allowed column. Or if transition implies that, provide details on transition screen, adding commands, work logs, and other data. For a minute, let's return to original Cloud Jira to see if our changes are there. And we see issue status changed, command is there, and work log item as well. Now let's switch to another setup where WatchTower is installed on Cloud version of Jira. Here we have only 2 sources configured and we experience the same behavior as it was previously on server instance. Let's assume that in original source something has changed and issue appeared in a status that was not previously configured. Still, WatchTower is there to assist you. It gives you notification to adjust your configuration. All done! So if you happen to work with environment where multiple Jira instances required, we believe there is a solution to simplify your life and save your time. WatchTower, one board for multiple Jiras.